Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to create groups policy on FortiGate Firewall. So here you can see here I will create the groups, and you can see here group 1 and group 2. So internally these pieces already connecting each other because I'm using the same range of IP address, and also I assign the IP address to each and every device except this one. So I will show you how to add IP. Open the PC 4. I already open here. You can see here PC 4, and I will add the IP here, IP 192.168.10.5, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the gateway 192.168.10.1. This is the IP address and this is the subnet mask and this is the gateway 1. Enter. It is checking the IP address. Show IP. You can see here the IP address is set to the PC. Now internally I already set the IP address for all devices. For example, if we need to ping 192.168.10. For example, I will ping to number 2 PC1. It is having 10.2. Enter. You can see here it is pinging. Also I will show you ping PC number 2 10.3. Enter. You can see here there is ping. It is pinging each other. So internally the network is working very fine. So now I will show you this PC4. It doesn't ping to the internet. See, you can see here there is no connection between internet to the PC. And also PC number 2, for example, this is the PC number 2. I will try to ping internet 8.8.8. Enter. You can see here there is no internet access for the PC2, and as well as I will show you PC number 2 CMD ping 10.1.1, sorry, ping 8.8.8. Enter. You can see here the internet access is not available because the policy is not created to get the internet access, but internally these 4 pieces are pinging each other. So I will show you. For example, PC number 2 192 dot ping 192.168 dot. From PC2 to I am connecting PC1 10.2. See, this is the IP address for this PC, and from the PC2 and PC1, from PC2 the PC1 is connecting very fine. There is no connection drop or anything, but there is no internet access for PC2 as well as PC1. So now what we will do, I will allow the internet access for these 2 pieces. I will create here group. So log into the firewall. You can see here there is already I created the interfaces. LAN port 2, my local area network is connecting to LAN port 2, and also I connected the DMZ on port number 3, and also there is WAN port for the wide area network. This is 192.168.234.2. This is my gateway and ISP. So it is connecting to port 1 and wide area network. And also I configured DNS and static routes. I already assigned the IP address of my gateway for the wide area network. And I will go to policy objects. Now firewall policy. Here you can see there is one policy I already created, and it is allowing internet access to DMZ. Now I will create these two IP addresses. I will create as a group and I will give the internet access. So create new, name group 1 internet access. So you can see, or just allow. Incoming interface will be LAN port 2 because this is incoming, and the outgoing source will be WAN port 1 because this is going from fortinet to outside port number 1. So wide area network, and the source will be my two PCs. So if I click all, I will get internet access for these all 4 PCs, but I don't want to allow 4 PCs to get internet access. Only I will add these two in the group. So what I will do, create. If you click address, it is, you can add only one host here, only one user. So I will add create address group. From the address group I will mention this one as a group name like group 1. So once I make group 1, for example, select here members, and here we will not click all, just we will create again the address. For example, here PC1, and PC1 IP address 192.168.10.2, my PC IP address 10.2, and the subnet mask 32. Okay, you can see PC1 is created, and PC number 2 address PC2 192.168.10.3, subnet mask 32, and click OK. You can see here now I will add two members here, PC1 and PC2. You can see I added the members PC1, PC2, and click OK. Now I already add here group 1. There is a added PCs, it is showing here, but we will not select this one. We will select group 1 because in the group the PC1, PC2 already added. So group 1, click group 1, it is added here. Then what we will do, we will go to the destination. I'm not allowing gmail.com or any other sites. I will click all, and also the services I'm going to add all. We can add each and every service like HTTPS, HTTP, and FTP, and ping, DNS, DHCP, whatever you can assign the service, but I will add all the services here. Just click all and just keep NAT and all other settings. As I explained in my previous videos, I explained about these things, so you can check there. So here I will not do any changes. I added here perfectly. Now click OK. Now you can see here group 1 is added. Now what we will do, go to the topology and here PC2, you can see here ping 8.8.8.8, enter. You can see here the internet is working fine for the PC or PC number 1, and the PC number 2 will go to PC number 2 and try to ping 8 dot PC number 2 ping 8.8.8.8. You can see here it is pinging, so there is internet access for my PC number 2 and PC number 1. This group have access for the internet access. Once you go to the PC4, you can see here ping 8.8.8.8, then enter. Still there is no internet access. Why? Because we did not allow these pieces to the policy group, and we did not even allow them for the internet, but still the internally these all pieces have connection to ping only. So for example, I will show you ping 192.168.10.3. it means PC number 2, this one PC number 2. So I will click enter. See, there is internally there is connection, but for the internet I allowed these two pieces as a group 1, then there is a internet access for that one. So these are the simple steps to connect the internet access to the groups. And so in next video we will cover other topics. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.